Welcome back, Cartel family. If you're new to the channel, I'm Mr. Cartel, and on this channel I show you exactly how I catch high probability gold trades before they even happen. Today's video is going to blow your mind because everything you're about to see was identified before the CPI news and before gold exploded. Nothing was drawn after the move, everything was mapped out before the CPI release. The blueprint was already in place. All we had to do was wait for the explosion. So if you're serious about learning how to analyze the market and catch explosive gold moves before they even happen, make sure you watch this video until the end. Let's get straight into it. Before I explain anything, take a look at this. At the time I'm recording this video, this account is showing over $200,000 in floating profit from a single gold setup. Now listen carefully. By the time most traders realized gold was bullish, I was already in the trade. By the time the CPI news was released, I already had my entries, and by the time everyone started chasing the breakout, the trading cartel community and I were already in the trade because I had shared the buy signal live before the CPI announcement. We weren't reacting to the move, we were already positioned for it. That's the difference between reacting to the market and preparing before the move happens. Everything you're seeing in this video was planned before gold exploded. Now let me show you exactly how I did it. One thing you learn about me is this: I don't chase the market, I let the markets come to me. That's why you never see me buying gold after it has already moved hundreds of pips. By then I'm already in the trade. While everyone else is reacting to the news, I'm already positioned because my analysis is done before the news release. That's exactly what happened with this CPI setup. Now let's go back to where everything started. Before the CPI announcement, I had already mapped out the entire area on my charts. I wasn't waiting for financial news, I wasn't waiting for social media, I wasn't waiting for somebody else to tell me what gold was doing. My plan was already complete. Then my indicator printed the first V1 buy confirmation right here at the 100% Fibonacci level. The moment I saw that confirmation, I knew buyers were beginning to step into the market. But here's something I always tell my community: just because I get the confirmation doesn't mean I rush into the trade. Patience is part of my strategy. I let the markets come to me, and that's exactly what happened. One thing I teach my students is that the market moves in three phases: expansion, correction, and continuation. First comes the expansion. This is where price makes a stronger impulsive move in one direction. After every expansion, the market needs to breathe. That's where the correction comes in. The correction is simply the pullback. Most traders panic during the correction because they think the trend is over, but for me, that's where the opportunity begins. Instead of chasing the expansion, I patiently waited for the correction. So price retraced perfectly back into my 61% Fibonacci retracement level. Now pay very close attention. The moment price reached that 61% level, my indicator printed the V4 buy confirmation already. Now everything was lining up perfectly: V1 confirmation, expansion, correction into the 61% retracement, Fibonacci retracement, and V4 confirmation. The only thing left was the continuation, and that's exactly what the CPI release gave us. The news became the catalyst that pushed gold into the continuation phase, sending price aggressively to the upside. Now I know some of you are probably wondering how my indicator works or why I use the 61% Fibonacci retracement as my entry zone. I won't go into every single detail in this video because I've already created dedicated tutorials explaining my indicators and how I use Fibonacci and how I combine both to identify high probability setup like this. So after watching this video, make sure you go back to the channel and watch those tutorials. They will give you so much deeper understanding of this strategy and show you exactly how I use these tools to stay ahead of the market. If there's one thing I want you to take away from this video, it's this: the market always rewards preparation, and every single day I let the markets come to me. I don't force trades, I don't follow hype, I don't trade based on emotions. I wait for my confirmations and I trust my system, and when everything aligns, I execute with full confidence. That's why the trading cartel community continues to catch these moves before they happen, and that's the trading cartel way. So if you got value from today's video, do me a favor, destroy the like button, subscribe to the channel, and become part of the cartel family. Make sure to turn on post notification because I'm going to keep showing you exactly how I analyze the market before the biggest moves happen. And if you want to start receiving my trade ideas and live signals before market moves, make sure you use the link in the description below to join my free trading cartel signal channel. That's where I share my setups live with the community before the biggest moves happen. Now I know many of you have been asking about the indicators you saw in this video, so here's what I'm going to do. I'm giving you access to them completely free. If you want the same indicators I use to identify these high probability setups before the market moves, simply send me a message on Telegram with the word cartel, and I'll show you exactly how to get access for free. The Telegram link is also in the description below, so don't miss out. Join the free signal channel, get your free indicators, and start learning how to catch these moves before they happen.